Hey guys, in today's video, I'm grilling a ton of kebabs. I have beef, I have veggie, I have chicken, and today's video is all about how to set them up properly so they turn out great every time. The first thing I'm gonna share with you is all about your skewer itself. As you can see, I'm using wooden skewers for all of my kebabs. So what I did first is I soaked them in a baking sheet with water for at least 30 minutes, and I left them there while I prepped my other ingredients. And you wanna make sure that your kebabs taste great, so you can do that by marinating your meat first. My beef is gonna be super flavorful because I went ahead and marinated it, so I'll leave that recipe for you below the video. My chicken has a quick lemon and garlic delicious marinade. I'll leave that for you as well. My veggies, I used to brush on some olive oil and lots of seasoning on them because I want all of these guys to taste great. Before we even place these on the grill, we want to preheat our grill to medium-high heat. If you have a knob, place it somewhere around 3/4 of the way over there. If you have a temperature gauge on your grill, wait for it to be between 375 and 400 Fahrenheit before you place any of your kebabs on the grill. Now, most grills need to be greased a little bit. You can do this with some vegetable or olive oil once the grill is hot. And then you're going to place your kebabs directly on the grill. I do have a great temperature chart, just like this one, that I'm going to link below so you know how long your beef takes to cook, your chicken and your veggies, especially if you're cooking a variety of them. You'll see that I'm placing the kebabs directly on the grill with the lid open. That's because I want to sear the outsides, and then after 5 minutes or so, I'm going to close the lid and let them cook. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to flip them over by using some large tongs. You're gonna want to grab them through the middle with the tongs or use a metal spatula to help you lift them off the grill. You're gonna flip all of them over and then close your lid again to retain the heat inside of your grill and wait the other half of the cooking time for your skewers to be ready. You can use a meat thermometer to check the temperature of your meat or chicken, especially if you have these really large pieces. Those are gonna take a lot longer to cook than grilling smaller pieces. So little by little, I'm removing all of my skewers off the grill onto my baking sheet, cover them in foil, and let's bring them inside. Here we have chicken, we have veggie, we have beef kebabs. Make sure you check out the links below this video and this next video for more grilling kebabs.